Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon, egg, and cheese Jiffy muffins. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 4 slices of bacon cooked and crumbled. So I just had the cooked bacon here and I just crumbled it up 4 pieces. 4 eggs, salt and pepper, a half a cup of milk, a half a cup of some kind of shredded cheese, and then 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and we are going to melt that. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400, and then we are going to spray a 12 cavity muffin tin with cooking spray, or use the cupcake liners. I melted my butter in a microwavable safe bowl in the microwave and then added everything to it except for the eggs. I'm going to just mix this up and then add my eggs so they don't cook. My muffins are all ready to go into the oven, like I said, for 13 to 15 minutes at 400. My muffins are out of the oven. I just let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, and then I used a butter knife to go around the edges for easy removal, but I think if you use the liners that would work the best. But I didn't have too much of a problem, only one. So we were going to let these cool off a little bit more and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, Mom, let's go.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.